Hi guys, we're here at Gooderson Drakensberg Gardens and we're with Sphe again, and he's gonna show us how to do some archery.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Firstly, you don't use your bow placed down on the ground.
Okay.
And you don't pull and release without an arrow that kills my bow. Okay. And if you're shooting like more than 2 or more than 1, you have to stay on the same line, like on the same row.
Okay.
Okay, as you are alone, you can shoot as much as you want. Go collect the arrows and make sure when you're shooting, it's clear. There's no one like coming down on the other side where you're shooting at. Okay.
So we can't shoot the baboons.
Yep, you cannot. Okay, to use your bow now, you load with the bridge of the thumb underneath this part here. The reason being, as you pull and release, it mustn't come and hurt you on the arm. Okay.
Okay, show me again. Let's see.
Bridge of the thumb is underneath this part.
Okay.
Yes. Place the arrow with one feather facing out, which is your red feather.
Okay.
Guide it with 2 fingers. Stand completely sideways. You aim. When you're done aiming, then you can pull all the way back and go. Okay.
Did you see that, guys? This guy's a pro.
Okay, I want to see you trying now.
Okay, I'll try now.